As I'm walking, the smell of sweetness in the environment stops me. I casually engage with the place, look around and see. When I hear the buzzing sounds of humming bees, makes me explore the surround. Then I begin walking through a creek, aligning with the welcoming golden wattle flowers along the way. That exactly reminded the childhood memory of mine being connected with the bush of red rhododendron flowers around me. While I held flowers by closing my eyes, I feel sensation through my skin, the gentle touch of wind and the pleasant sun. Connected me the eight Aboriginal ways of learning, particularly place-based learning, linking to the local land and place as we work with the lessons from land and nature. I talked with children about the Kulin Nation uh, seasonal calendar based on nature, land, and the environment and its impact to the existence of human and non-human as foregrounded to the Aboriginal standpoint. In STEM learning, I have chosen science language to describe on how it strengthens children's science learning as pinpoint by STEM by Wade Stupinski and Cohen 2020. I create learning environment about the tree from root to the tip, such as green leaves have the ability to make their own food using molecule of chlorophyll through the process of photosynthesis. Hummingbees are important to help maintain the ecosystem by pollinating flowers. I encourage children to make the beehives so they can learn how bee produce honey by collecting nectar from the flower. Also, I encourage children to learn how different non-human rely on tree for food and shelter, such as life cycle of birds, animals, butterfly, grasshopper, and spider, depending on the weather and the climate pattern. I set a few experiences for children to work on their understanding of importance of bugs, how to be safe around them, respecting environment by connecting the place. Expanding more on science experience, children create areas such as bee hotel, creepy crawly campsite, and butterfly breakfast, which broaden their learning on how species coexist with other species. I talk with children about the plant which needed water to survive and how non-humans such as millipedes, earthworm, muchitari grub survive under the soil and the root. To support this learning, I resonate with Paulo to foster a love for place. We must engage our bodies and our heart as well as our minds in a specific place. Intellectual critical knowledge needs a foundation of sensual awareness, and for very young children, sensual awareness is the starting place for learning. Pello A 2009. At the outer environment, children learn through direct experience. Preparing children for outdoor adventure is crucial. Here I conquer the view of 10 sample walks, which states that how to introduce and follow up, debrief the walking activities to maximize learning and engagement. Among all surface work, I found closer to my object where I say look for places of all kinds. What services do you walk encounter? What do you notice about the surface? Judson G 2017. I began my conversation with the children to provoke their curiosity. Thank you.